This transition right here is a very cool looking effect that has gotten me over 350,000 views on Instagram twice. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in 4 simple steps. And if you don't know me yet, my name is Joe. I run an online community called the Video Creation Lab, which is for freelancers who want to make better videos, start building their audience on Instagram, and start landing brand deals. And if that's interesting for you, go check out the first link in the description. Now let's dive into the tutorial. So the first thing you need is as many shots as you like, ideally with a dolly in movement. Now that you have the video clips in your timeline, you want to stabilize them. Inside After Effects, go to the tracker and click on Stabilize Motion. Select a high contrast point in your image that is visible all the time and make these boxes a bit bigger to give After Effects some orientation. Hit Options and change this drop-down to stop tracking if confidence is below 90%. And now you can press on this little icon right here to start the tracking. As soon as After Effects is not sure if the tracking point is still on the right spot, it will stop the tracking and you can reposition the tracking point or just continue the tracking. Once the tracking is done, hit Apply and OK. And now scale up the clip until you don't see the grid anymore. So now in step 2, we want to create a speed ramp and a boomerang effect. To do that, nest the clip and make sure that you select Move All Attributes into the new composition. Now enable timer mapping and choose how long you want the ramp to be and place the keyframes accordingly. So create a keyframe at the 1 second mark and pull the timecode right here all the way to the right. Add another keyframe at the 2 second mark and pull the timecode back to the first frame. Now open the graph editor and smoothen out the speed curve so that it looks like that. The movement starts and ends slow and is very fast in the middle. Duplicate the clip and drag it all the way to the right so that we get this boomerang effect. Nest both clips and duplicate them again. To get this cool effect where the second shot comes in behind your subject, we first need to separate the foreground from the background. Select the top layer of your clip and go to the Object Matte tool. It works similar to roto brushing, but the cool thing is that it automatically recognizes objects for you. Now select everything in the foreground. You can also use the Quick Selection tool for this. After Effects will automatically track your selection throughout the entire clip. To check if everything looks good, just disable the bottom layer for a second. Now repeat these steps for all of the other clips you want to use, and once that's done, we can start building the transition. So basically what you're trying to do is to create with keyframes, position keyframes, this downward movement of each and every shot. To do this, drag the second shot in between both layers of the first shot. Create position keyframes at the exact point where the first camera movement stops for the first and the second time. At the second keyframe, drag the shot down to the bottom of the frame. Now open the graph editor and smoothen out the speed graph so that it matches the camera movement. Go to the second shot and create keyframes at the same spots. But this shot we actually want to come into the frame from the top. So at the first frame, drag it all the way up until it isn't visible anymore. Adjust the speed graph in the graph editor as well, and now it should look something like this. Now go to the next point where your camera movement stops and drag the first shot completely out of frame. The second shot should be now at the bottom of the frame because the third shot will be already visible at the top at this point. Now repeat these steps with all of the other shots that you have, and this should be a result. Now as you can see, this is a lot of trial and error and it depends on your clips that you have. Just try it out for yourself and tag me if you upload a video of this on Instagram. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more tutorials like this and other stuff around filmmaking, video creation. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.